Back again, peeps, in another video. You don't know it's a Jamaican treat. Oh, you don't know your boy King James out here. As you can see on the screen, the Flying Dutchman. Right now, we're gonna do the how much again? 64% armor break, fade a blow, combo by a boy Kabal, and you don't know. But I know me I do this, a rich killer do it because when I use Kabal, I see me, but here we're going.
Can't go hear me right now, peeps.
Well, if you can't hear him still, just know say him there. You understand? So, we're going right now, so let's kick it. Kabal in start. Yeah, first attempt. There. Oh, it missed. Alright. Yeah, there. Live. Oh, break too early? Yeah. Alright, we are go again. Bossy. Look at that. Look on this. Bossy. I'm no business if you don't do it already, but we are sure on again, you understand? 64%. We Kaballing out here, bro. Too slow. I mean, I say, peeps, if you don't like the vid, please like, comment. I mean, like again, comment, share, subscribe to the Jamaican Treat or channel. I don't know for more Jamaican content, not only for Mortal but for other games. I don't know. We are trying to see if we can get FIFA 23 still. You understand? But we're not rich, isn't it? But I love the support, guys. We reached 200 subscribers so far. You know, we love the support that you guys have shown us, and we will continue to make content for you guys in the Jamaican style. You don't know. Any words, Rich Kid?
Glad me catch a combo there, peeps. I've been working on that for like months.
Yeah, man.
You know, but pro gamers they might take less time, but you know, I still feel good.
Here we go. We still bad. You see it? Out. I hear it.